Welcome to our channel. Today, we will explore how American farmers combat storms to protect their crops. Storms and severe weather are significant threats to agriculture. However, with creativity and modern technology, farmers have found effective measures to cope. Every year, the United States faces many powerful storms, causing substantial damage to agriculture. However, farmers have adopted numerous measures to protect their crops. Let's find out about these measures. Windbreaks are one of the most common measures. There are two main types: natural and artificial. Natural windbreaks, such as pine trees, not only block the wind but also create a green landscape. Meanwhile, artificial windbreaks made of steel or plastic mesh can be quickly installed and are highly durable. Drainage systems help direct water away from fields during heavy rains, preventing waterlogging. Trenches and underground pipes allow water to flow out quickly, protecting crops from damage. Greenhouses protect crops from strong winds, heavy rains, and other weather elements. They help control temperature and humidity, creating favorable conditions for crop growth. A solid design with an efficient drainage system is crucial for greenhouses to function effectively. Early warning systems use satellite and radar technology to provide accurate weather forecasts. Upon receiving warnings, farmers can prepare timely, relocate crops, or implement other protective measures. Drones help monitor wide areas and provide detailed information on the condition of crops and soil. They can capture images, record videos, and measure environmental factors, helping farmers detect problems early and take timely corrective actions. Mr. John, a farmer in Florida, has implemented various measures to protect his orange grove. He built windbreaks, installed drainage systems, used greenhouses, and employed drones. As a result, he minimized storm damage and successfully protected his crops. The initial investment costs and maintenance of these measures are significant challenges. However, farmers have learned to work closely with experts, master new technologies, and plan long-term. Perseverance and creativity have helped them overcome difficulties and achieve success. American farmers have adopted many measures and modern technologies to protect crops from storms. Their experiences and measures not only protect the economy but also ensure food supply. We hope that this knowledge will be widely applied to help farmers worldwide overcome the challenges posed by natural disasters. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to not miss other interesting videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.